Here's what the CEO of Deutsche Post, Frank Appel, had to say earlier about the impact of tax reform and productivity.
These tax reform, it's probably more positive for the world than, but, these measures have limited short-term impact. So I'm looking for fundamentals. What the world needs, every country needs, is productivity gains. If you don't increase productivity, you will never be successful on the long run. And productivity comes from better education of the people, better infrastructure, competitive pressure, that means open borders, and that's the recipe.
A lot of M&A. Joining me right now to talk more about that is the CEO of Deloitte, Cathy Engelbert. Cathy, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us.
Great to be here.
We're happy you're here because you see the point that Frank Appel is making there. I wonder how much this is persisting for the CEOs that you're speaking with. Yes, they're happy about the tax deal. Yes, they want to see an infrastructure deal, but they're also worried about debt and deficits.
Absolutely. Debt and deficits are always at the top of the list, but also growth and productivity gains, as you just heard. What's really important, though, is the U.S.'s competitiveness in the global economy, and I think you're seeing some of the results of that, what a difference a year makes around the optimism that we see out there with CEOs.
There's a lot of optimism. I think these people coming to this forum this year, you're talking about the most optimism that we've seen in a long time. As CEO of one of the largest professional organizations in the country in terms of providing audit, tax services, what is the real impact of this tax plan?
Well, there's a lot of optimism around investment, capital that might have been sitting on the sideline, new capital, new jobs being created. But Deloitte just issued our fourth industrial revolution readiness report, where 87% of the executives said that the fourth industrial revolution will bring higher productivity, more equality, and more stability. When's the last time we heard that word stability in business?
Yeah. Well, J.P. Morgan this morning coming out saying they're going to invest $20 billion in this economy. They're going to raise wages. They're going to hire more people, open more branches. Walmart, Apple last week, $38 billion tax bill there. Companies are seeing that they are actually saving money on this tax plan, and then they're passing it on to employees.
Yeah, I think it is important to reinvest, whether it's in employees, in human capital, in intellectual capital, also in the shiny new tools and technologies that we see emerging, AI, social, mobile, cloud. So you'll see, I think, the companies that are going to be ahead are the ones that are going to integrate those investments across both the human capital and the technology.
You make a really good point when you bring up AI and all the technology that we're seeing, but there's a worry out there that with AI and new innovations is going to mean more robotics, robots and machines taking over jobs. You've been working a lot on the future of work. How do you see work changing?
Yeah, and I like to call it the work of the future because it sounds a little more optimistic and a little more visionary because we can shape the work of the future. I think the important thing is, in that same study I just looked at, 14% of executives said they're ready for the change. So there's a lot of opportunity to look at the human element combined with AI and bots. Most companies want to put bots in, but they need to look at their human capital as closely as they look at their financial capital.
Yeah, but when you take a look at what people need to do, this is a big deal. This is a big subject. What does a truck driver know about AI? What does a steel worker? What does an apparel producer know about any of this stuff? We're going to need a whole new education ramp up, aren't we, in terms of the skill sets that are required to thrive in this new economy?
Absolutely, Maria. We need to look at reskilling, whether you're 8 years old or 80 years old. And not everyone has to be STEM fluent, but everyone has to be tech savvy. So all of those you just mentioned need to drive their skills up. And I think we're doing some work with the Business Roundtable, for instance, on their workforce initiative. And there's things that public-private partnerships can fix. There's things that, again, holistically, businesses have to partner with governments to help solve this issue.
So this is a private sector thing, but it's also a government thing.
Absolutely.
The onus is on everybody.
Absolutely.
All parties involved. All right, Cathy, I've been listening to you sit there, and you're a Philadelphia Eagles fan, I heard.
That's right.
Aren't you? The Eagles, of course, headed to Super Bowl 52 after a huge win on Sunday. What do you think?
It's time for someone new to win. So we're looking forward to it. Should be a great game. Lots of competitiveness on both sides. Big rivalry between New England and Philadelphia. So we'll see what happens.
Well, it's also big business, the NFL and Super Bowl Sunday, isn't it?
Absolutely, big business. Everybody's watching. Most watched all year long programming. So again, the city of Philadelphia couldn't be more excited. We haven't been there for a long time, and we need to win one.
All right, we'll be watching. Cathy, great to see you.
Great to see you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Cathy Engelbert, leading as always.